Hello, this is Douglas Robinson with Dev Edit Software LLC, and in this video we're going to be demoing our new Trebuchet Process Killer utility. Now all this application does is it allows you to forcibly kill any stuck processes that you might have in the Trebuchet app or Trebuchet.Admin.exe processes. So for me, this usually comes up when I'm building reports. There are some times where if maybe I'm configuring drill down or doing some fancy stuff with borders, every once in a while I'll make a change to one of my reports in the properties and it will just freeze. And if you've experienced this application freezing in the past, you'll know you can't just go and click the X. You actually have to go and you have to open Task Manager, you have to find the process, you have to kill it. Anyways, the funny thing with Task Manager is that you might have to launch it as an administrator, and in some environments that I've worked in, you might have a different account for administrator access, and you might have to go through a fairly complex process to get the password for that account, where it might change every couple of days, or you might have to use two-factor authentication with your phone, or you might just not have administrator access, or you might not be able to launch Task Manager on certain machines depending on how strict the security is in your environment. And the purpose of this application is that you should be able to run it without having admin access. So you can click this button to kill the Trebuchet client, and you'll notice an application closes. If you hear noises in the background, it's probably my cat. Oh, I also don't need to sign back into this. You can also kill the administrator client. So you'll notice I have the sign in for our administrator client here, and we click kill Trebuchet admin. Client closes. Now this is going to kill every instance of those applications at this point in time. We probably will have an update in the future that will show you a list of the different running processes and give you an option to pick which one. But the idea here is, it stays on top of other applications. So if you have other windows open, it will actually stay on top of them. It will keep focus over everything else, so that if you have some window open and maybe it stops functioning, you can just kill it. And it forcibly closes it. It's pretty much the same as going into Task Manager. Going into processes, highlighting that process and saying end process. So, relatively simple. Didn't take us very much to actually build this one out, but it's something that I will end up using, and so it's something that I may as well allow you to use. So this will end up going on our store for free. You can download it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.